Hey, what's up? Omars seller on Amazon sent me some interesting devices, 2 power banks and USB hub. We will talk about each device in a separate video. I want to start with this power bank. It is called Omars SlimPack 10000mAh power bank. As you understand from the name, the main feature of this power bank is slim and compact design. The manufacturer says that it is the thinnest 10000mAh power bank on the market, only 1.35 cm. Okay, let's look at the box and package content, and then we will talk about design and features of this power bank. So here is the box of Omars SlimPack 10000mAh power bank. I have a white color version, so the power bank on the box is also white. Also, we can read about main features of power bank, such as a 2-in-1 cable, thin case, and a sleep and charge 2 devices at once. On the side face, you can find a list of compatible devices, such as iPhone, Samsung, Huawei, etc. However, you can use any Android device with this power bank. On the back, there are other features of power bank, for example, USB charge port, ultra slim, certified safe, and specifications. Inside the box, there is user manual, charging cable with USB-A port on one side and micro USB port with Type-C adapter on the other side, and the power bank itself. Now let's take a closer look at power bank. First, Omars SlimPack 10000mAh power bank is really thin. It has a thickness of 13.5mm. For comparison, this is my smartphone. It is almost the same as power bank. The dimensions of power bank is 145 by 68.5mm. As you can see, I have a white color model and it looks very nice. You can also choose black color. The power bank has anti-slip texture. There is company logo and 4 LED lights on the front side. The power bank has only one physical button on the left side to check battery level. All the ports are located at the top. In fact, you can charge 3 devices at once using 2 USB-A ports and a USB Type-C port. Micro USB port is to charge power bank. You can also use a USB Type-C port to charge power bank. I like the design of Omars SlimPack 10000mAh power bank. It is really thin and it is nice to hold in the hand. Also, it will not take a lot of space in your bag or backpack. Talking about main features, I want to say about 15 watts fast charging through USB Type-C port. You can use fast charging to charge power bank as well as charge other devices from power bank. The manufacturer says it takes about 5 hours to charge power bank. The maximum charging speed using USB-A port is 12 watts. By the way, the information on the box says that you can use power bank to charge Galaxy S9 Plus and iPhone X more than 2 times and iPhone 8 almost 4 times. That's very good. Also, Omars SlimPack power bank has built-in anti-S, which provides multi-protections. Omars SlimPack 10000mAh power bank is a very good and useful device for traveling and even everyday life. It has good battery capacity, fast charging support, and compact size. The price of power bank is only $16. I will leave the link to Amazon in description under the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.